we are to simplify this. If you look at this closely, all these numbers here are even numbers. So we are dealing with consecutive even numbers, okay? Starting with 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 down to 40. We are to add all these numbers together. But then, should we now start adding them one after the other? That will be a very long process, okay? So this is the approach to it. What is of interest to us is the last number, which is 40. And this is what you do. You come down here, you will divide the 40 by 2. Say 40 divided by 2. This gives us 20. That is step 1. The next step, add 1 to the 20, and that gives us 21. So what you simply need to do is to multiply this 20 by the 21. That is 20 multiplied by 21, and this gives us 420, and that becomes the answer. You may want to confirm it. Take your calculator and add all the digits together down to 40. It will give you 420. Okay? Next, let us look at number 2. We are to find the sum of consecutive even numbers from 2 to 628. This number is quite large. Okay? Also using the same method as explained in number 1, what we simply need to do here is to divide 628 by 2. Okay? So we have 628 divided by 2. When you divide, it gives us 314. Step 1. Next step, simply add 1 to 314, and that will give us 315. Next, multiply the 314 by 315. So 314 multiplied by 315, if you multiply this, it gives you 98,910, and this becomes the answer. Quite simple and easy. So if you could possibly use your calculator to add all even numbers from 2 to 628, it will give you this. But that will take a whole lot of time. Hence, this method becomes very important and quite easy and simple to apply. Number 3, find the sum of all even numbers from 2 to 320. I think applying this method shown, you should try this. What is the answer? Try it out. Watch out for part 2. If you look at this set of even numbers, it started from 2. Here also, this started from 2. 2 is the least even number, and number 3 also started from 2. What if you are to add consecutive even numbers that do not start from 2? Take for instance, if the number started from, let's say, 28, and you are to add it up to like 300, how do you approach it? We are going to deal with this in part 2. Watch out.